it's your girl Anjay Monet, and I am here today to install this lovely wig. This video is sponsored by Luvmehair. They sent me over this gorgeous 5x5 closure wig, and when I just say the closure is just giving everything that it needs to give. Like, what are we talking about? Okay, this is a 150 density wig. Like I said, it's 24 inches, and this is their Undetectable HD lace. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, because y'all know I'm a hairstylist out of Atlanta. If y'all don't know I'm a hairstylist out of Atlanta, then what do you even know? Okay, I'm a celebrity hairstylist out of Atlanta, Georgia, and I install wigs and talk to my clients and make them laugh for a living. So I know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about it. This lace is like absolutely gorgeous. Like, I must say, it was very easy to work with, and this is a glueless install. This is a glueless install. Don't ever play with me like that. Are you kidding me? We don't have a lick of glue on here. I absolutely love it. It's super soft. It's super flowy. Yeah, it's just it. It's her. It's her. So with all of that being said and so much to show, let's get into the video. I want y'all to know, I did that off the top of my head, okay? Okay guys, so we're starting off using some bleach and 50 volume developer. I like to use 50 volume because it just processes a lot faster, and the consistency that I'm aiming for is like a toothpaste like consistency. I don't want it to be too loose, and I don't want it to be too thick, so it doesn't take too long to process or penetrate the knots. So once I'm done applying the bleach, I'm going to place this underneath some heat for about 20 to 30 minutes until the knots go blonde. After pushing my edges back, I like to just stretch out the stocking cap a bit because they're kind of tight and snug when you first put them on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut only one side. Typically when I do frontals, I'll cut a hole for both ears, but since this is a closure, I'm just going to cut a hole for one ear, and this just allows me to lay my stocking cap with a bit more security. Okay, so this is a glueless install. I'm not putting any glue on the lace to melt this down, but I'm gonna say this because I'm a hairstylist, so y'all gotta hear me out a little bit. Y'all gotta hear me out. So sometimes when you use just got-to-be spray, it doesn't last as long. So if you plan on doing this for some time, or you finna wear a wig, you know it's finna be hot, the worst possible thing ever is when your stocking cap starts to slip back. But sometimes, just like the oils that starts to accumulate on the skin, it can just start to push back if you're sweating, if you do your edges, like over a course of time. So I do like to put a little bit of wig glue on the stocking cap on my skin. When you mix like this material with glue, sometimes it's a little harder to take off your head, so you're better off just like putting it more so on your skin and kind of brushing it back onto the hair just a little bit. The matter is, like, it just makes me nervous, especially with this being a closure and it not being ear to ear, and I have that tightness holding it down. You need just a little bit of glue. I'm going to be using Bold Hold Lemon. This is the one by Alonzo. I don't like to use this one as much because I just don't find that it really does what it needs to do. Like, I need things to be done. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. This is so new for me. I'm so excited about this. And I want everyone to know, like, this right here on my face, we're gonna act like that doesn't exist. We're gonna pretend like you're not seeing that, because you're literally not. That is a figment of your imagination. I have completely glass skin, okay? All right. I put purple shampoo on it, and this came with the knots pre-bleach, which all of me wigs do. They come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, but for me, I like to go in and do a little bit more. So, okay guys, it's giving Scalpy Annie. Y'all see that? Y'all see how that's sliding right there? That's why you use the glue, because this is not going, it's never gonna leave. It's not something that you have to do, but for me personally, because I want this to be a deep side part closure wig, I'm gonna show you how to finesse it. It won't affect when you put your middle part on either. So I basically put this on my head and it was like on my ear. I don't like stuff on my ear. If you like stuff on your ear, you're going to jail. You're going to jail. So basically, I'm gonna cut this itty bitty piece right here, like that much. I'm not cutting it starting at the first track that's closest to the closure, starting more so back here. Sure, you also don't cut where your elastic band is starting because you want to keep that. It's like equivalent to like an ear tab on a frontal. Okay, so I cut that piece off and y'all can see like my ear can breathe, because if you don't like stuff on your ear, they just couldn't snip it off. It won't take no time, to me 2 minutes, okay? So I'm using my Ebin skin protector as well as the gold Ebin sensitive wig adhesive. This is not a glue. This just gives you a very temporary melt and allows it to fit snug on your skin. I use about 4 to 5 layers, and I like to dry it on a cool setting, not hot, because you do want this to be tacky before you put it down, because it's a spray. You don't want it to dry too much. And honestly, look at that pull. Like, it really does what it needs to do. I'm using my lovely Undetectable melt band that really just melts that lace down, honey. It just melts it down. Make sure you cop your Undetectable melt band, only $10. And here I am just chasing my hair using my Baby Bliss flat iron, which is like the best flat iron. So if y'all just want a really good flat iron, get that Baby Bliss, okay. So once you cut off your HD lace, in some cases you can't really tell that the lace is there, but you can, because there's kind of like a little cast. So what I do is I always put my makeup on after I put my wig on, because it just determines how much I need, especially when I'm doing my clients. And it's on top of the lace versus under the lace, so it just melts a lot better. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my foundation as well as a little bit of spritz, and I'm gonna retie my hair down with my melt band. And then once I take it off, it's just gonna be giving what it needs to give. When you guys use this spray after you put your makeup on your head, you wanna be like, you wanna get things out the way, because this is just wet. This is just wet. It's a wet product on a dry situation. You spray this like kind of far away. You don't want to be too close, but you do want it to get it. Okay, immediately y'all can just see it, but you got to hurry up and mow that down. So guys, the install is officially finished, and when I say it is eating, it is eating, it is yum, 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 yum. Luvme is always gonna have a thumbs up from me. Their hair is so easy to work with. The lace is always so simple, and y'all, it's affordable. So make sure you guys check out their website and see that they have a variety of different wigs that you absolutely need to have for this summer, because we outside this summer. And what you outside looking like? Do you have to get a girl's edges, or are you not giving a girl's edges? Is you giving a girl's short, or is you giving a girl's long? Is you giving a girl's black, or is you giving a girl's blonde? Girl, do we need to get in the studio? Like, that's like my 3rd time rhyming. It is so soft. Like, seriously guys, it feels like pure butter, and the lace is truly undetectable. You can't see it, okay? Water, you can't see it, babe. This is coming out. I've been growing my hair for like 4 or 5 years now. Today I decided to give it a little silk press because that's what it's giving, okay? So I'm so really excited about my YouTube channel, y'all. Like, y'all have no idea how happy I am about this. I've been praying about this, y'all. I'm like, God, lead me to where I need to be. And here I am sitting in front of this camera. I just feel like he just know what he be doing. I just gotta trust into the Lord's plan because look at this right here. This YouTube channel is gonna be so fun, so exciting. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of hair videos, makeup videos, advice videos, lifestyle videos, vlogs, really just me. It's the truth. My expertise is beauty, lifestyle, and advice. So welcome to the family, y'all. I know y'all are so happy to be at the cookout. Wait, stop. No, me too. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I can't believe I'm actually saying that. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so that you can be connected with me because I'm going to be coming back to back with the heat, okay? Back to back with the heat. It's hot. Bye. See y'all later.